Hi viewers, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I am going to show you how Truth Social works. These basics will get you going. First of all, on the home screen, you will see 3 tabs. The following tab shows you feed for groups and communities you are following. Similarly, For You tab gives you customized updates based on your interests and activity. And if you have joined any groups, updates from those will be shown here. Again, on the bottom bar, you can see different options. For instance, again, these 3 dots represent group updates and feeds. Similarly, tapping on this magnify glass helps you explore trending topics and hashtags. Moreover, Truth Social app has a dedicated video section that you can also access. And then, there is bell icon where you can find all Truth Social alerts. And lastly, you can tap on this message icon to send a message to your desired profile on Truth Social. However, if you navigate back to home screen, you can see this post new icon in red. Tap on it and post anything that is on your mind on trending. Tap on Truth once you have composed your message. As you can see, when I go to my profile now, my post is appearing here. And that's it. This is how Truth Social works. If you found this guide useful, leave a like and subscribe for more social media updates.